You slept past the release. You ain't gonna get no taste today. Lil Uzi way. Oh, can't you say?
Bro, what time is it?
It's 2:30, bro.
I thought I told you to wake me up.
I woke you up hours ago.
God damn, bro. Now I missed the release.
That's the way life goes. Woo! You missed the Jordans, man. You missed them.
Shut up.
Go ahead, call Foot Locker, see what's up.
My nose running. Yo, what up? It's your boy Mike, aka Sneaker Life. So the worst thing that possibly happens to me, man, like this happens so often. You know, you just get caught up in life, a shoe you've been waiting for, you sleep through the release, man. It's just like, bruh. That's the one thing that I do more than anything, period. You know, this obviously is a sneaker life. And you know, I still finesse my way to getting the shoes that I truly want, but it's like, dude, there's been so many times where I'm like mad hyped about a release, and then either I like go hang out with some friends Friday night, Saturday night or Saturday morning doesn't even exist. I wake up and I completely forget about the release. As soon as I go on Twitter, everybody and their grandma, oh, got him, oh, took an L, oh, Jordan crying face. But you know, today we took that delayed W. Huge shout out to my people over at Fire Laces. He's always running a pre-order, you know, and he always comes through. Always. The 14th. If you need him, hit up my dude Fire Laces. He's got you, best believe. This is a Saturday that I was pretty salty about. Fuck all this bullshit, what the fuck? Usually when Saturday comes through and I miss the release, I'm like, psh, whatever. But like, this was a shoe that as soon as I saw it, I posted it on Instagram. I've letting you guys know plenty of times I want these, and I got them. Usually I do like a cinematography unboxing. And I'm addicted to sneakers. Let me know which one you guys prefer. Do you prefer the basic, boom, cut it open, what's inside? Wow, I completely missed. Cut it open, what's in the box, or you like the little slow cinematography with the music, you know? It's lit. Let me know. But today, you know, today's just, I don't have time to play any games, man. I'm trying to see these in person. I have yet to see them in person. I just seen the pictures, and the pictures look good. Here's all the info. On behalf of Fire Laces, we'd like to thank you for your recent purchase, yada, yada, yada. Screenshot, whatever you want, if you want that information, or you can follow them on Instagram. But yo, I could not wait for these. Again, this is the Air Jordan Bluemoon. Oh, it's butter. Yeah, I haven't been this excited for a Jordan in a minute. Ooh. You know what feels good? To be able to go to the store and just buy a pair of shoes. You know, I get all my packages and do my unboxings, but I miss just going into the store, you know, opening the box. Ooh. But damn, bro, these are fire. Wow. And you know, people are trying to call these the broke man frags.
Get the fuck out of here.
You're tripping. You know, I got a little more careful with my knife since the last video, which is nice. You know, it's always nice every once in a while to be able to see a review of a shoe and decide if you want it or not. Dude, these are soft. Like this is a Jordan 1 right here. This is unique. Just peep this. You see the insole? Look at that design. That's pretty dope. So from what I know, these are like a celebration of Jordan's accomplishments or something like that. You know, they dropped them in the yellow, the red, and the green. The green is trash, the yellow's fire, and the red is fire, so I'm definitely needing to pick those up. I haven't been following it too closely, so I don't know the information on those. Butter, leather, not really. You know, it's soft, but it's nothing crazy, nothing spectacular. Quality is nothing spectacular until you get to this suede right here. This is, ooh. This is that koala bear, as Mr. Fomer Simpson would say. Yes. Oh, I love when I'm excited for a Jordan release. Like, I love it. It brings the passion. Like, dude. I'm probably going to sell my Game Royals. So if any of you guys want them, the link will be down below. It's gonna be a size 12. Go pick them up on my website. But yo, dude, look at these. Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah, these clean, fella. Ooh, yeah. You know what I like is it kind of looks like this might yellow a little bit right here. I hope it does. It'll give it like that older look. And I got a video from you guys coming real soon on Crep Protect, but I would definitely hit these with Crep Protect for sure. I know you got a lot of questions about Crep. I got you. I got a special video for you coming. Guys, are these not ridiculous? Like, man, I know I'm just beating a dead horse right now, beating a dead shoe. But yeah, man, I know how it feels to sleep on release day. Who slept on these? If you did, let me know down below. Once I get the rest of my pairs, when I get the yellow and I get the red one, I'm hunting them down. That's on my list. I'm gonna do a giveaway. Let me know, as far as the giveaway goes, what color you guys would want. And you already know what time it is, part of the video. Huge shout out to my man, Danny Moore and Boss Kids 14. If you wanna get shouted out in the next video, all you gotta do is hit that notification bell, subscribe, and comment done. So, if you're a real fan, you know what you need to comment. It's on me and you. That's all I'm gonna say. The real fans know what that means. But that's it for today's video. This is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just want to let you know, if you haven't already, make sure to follow me on Twitch. I try to stream as much as possible. It's the best time to catch me as far as live and answering questions. So if you haven't already, the links will be down below. Go follow me on Twitch. It's twitch.tv/MikeTheCompass. Other than that, make sure you check out this video or check out this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Oh, I gotta stay in my zone. Sam, even beefing, boy, you on your own. We at home. Never. This is America. Don't catch you slipping. This is America. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Leave a thumbs up. If y'all got any song requests, I got you. Na 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 na. Come inside, take off your coat, I'll make you feel at home. Now let's pour a glass of wine, 'cause now we're on alone. I'm coming back home.
Shut
I'm
up.
coming back home to you.